Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn that how we can easily extract any sample data using ChatGPT and create a dashboard with it. Here I am giving simple command that I need sample data for sales of fish by a fish selling company where it includes sales amount, quantity sold. Result have been generated within seconds. I will copy this data and paste it into Power BI. Click on Load as it doesn't need any transformation. I have my dataset here. Click on the three dots to get more visual. Search for Aquarium Visual. Drag fish type to fish. Quantity sold to fish size. Our animated visual is ready. Let's add some more visuals. First we add a pie chart with fish type and legend and sales amount in values. Second we add slicer of fish type. Change the style to tiles. Third we add line chart with date in x-axis and quantity sold in y-axis with fish type as legend. Since our all dates are in 1 month, so we are removing year, quarter, and month. Our dashboard is now ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.